No hood scoops or pinstripes on this one, but it's still got a rocket. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SX. The scale is 1/18, the manufacturer is Exact Detail Replicas, and the part number is 304. The box has the car specs printed on it, and its color matches the car. Okay, let's dig in. I know, I should clean my diecast before I film it, but I blame Exact Detail Replicas for making this Cutlass Supreme in something called lime green iridescent, which isn't a color you see every day. It's very distracting. Come to think of it, I blame Oldsmobile. This model has steerable wheels, folding front seats, and working sun visors. Here are some other Cutlass Supremes from the same generation. The Cutlass Supreme wasn't as flashy as the Cutlass 442, but this SX version came with the same big block 8-cylinder 455 cubic inch or 7.5 liter engine, dubbed as the Rocket 455. The engine produced 320 horsepower and an astounding 500 pound-feet of torque. I have to say this. This feels like the most well-balanced diecast I've ever held in my hand. Maybe I'm wrong. The SX was a fine mix between performance and comfort. Yes, it had a big power plant in the engine bay, but it also had plush interior, power assist, and even an air conditioner. Those options weren't standard on muscle cars back in the 70s. This model is out of production, but you might find one floating on places like eBay for around $200 US. I kinda feel like I should repack this one when I'm done looking at it to keep it safe from dust, but mostly to keep it safe from my friend Apple Grace who wants to steal it. I love the simplicity of this one, and I have to give credit to the manufacturer. Sometimes the unboxing experience isn't as good as I hoped for, but this model has everything. Box design, proper padding, nice heavy diecast, and a lot of details. By the way, I'm still distracted by the color. And that's that.